If someone told you that you could go from $0 to $250 a day with no experience, no special skills, and no upfront inventory, would you believe them? I didn't. Not at first. But what happened next completely changed my life. It all started in early 2025. My bills were stacking up, rent was due, my job barely covered the basics. I had no savings. Every scroll through social media showed me smiling faces, exotic vacations, people living the life I could only dream of. I asked myself, what are they doing that I'm not? That's when I stumbled upon a video by Andrew Cartwright. He wasn't flashy. He wasn't selling some overnight millionaire fantasy. He was calm, collected, and said just one thing that hit me like a lightning bolt. You don't need experience, you just need a system. Andrew introduced something called Build Your Store, an AI-powered platform that helps people like me, ordinary, struggling individuals, create and run an online store in under 10 minutes. No coding, no inventory, no design skills. Just drag, drop, click, and done. He explained how the platform combined dropshipping, automation, and SEO tools into one powerful dashboard. But what stood out most? Freedom. The freedom to build my future without working 60 hours a week. I was skeptical, but I figured, what do I have to lose? So I took the first step, signed up, picked a niche I cared about, eco-friendly products. The AI recommended products already selling well. The design, done for me. SEO, handled. Connection to Shopify, instant. It felt like I had a team of experts behind me, except it was all automated. Within 3 days, my store was live. But here's the truth. I didn't make a sale the first night, or the second. I thought maybe this wasn't for me. But then, on the third day, ping. An email. Congratulations, you've made your first sale. It was just $17.95, but it might as well have been $1 million because it meant the system worked. Every morning I'd check the dashboard. 1 sale turned into 2, then 5, then 10. Andrew's community was a game changer. I joined the forums. I learned what marketing strategies worked. I integrated Instagram and Facebook. And most importantly, I stayed consistent. I didn't have to be perfect. I just had to show up. Exactly 47 days after I launched, it happened. Total daily revenue, $259.40. I sat in disbelief. I took a screenshot. I printed it. I put it on my wall, not because of the money, but because I finally felt in control of my life. Here's what I discovered through this journey. 1. Execution beats ideas. You don't need the perfect plan, you just need to start. 2. Tools like Build Your Store simplify everything. You focus on what matters, growing your business. 3. Community matters. When you join a group of motivated people, your mindset changes. 4. Patience pays. Passive income isn't about instant results. It's about consistent, smart effort. 5. Success is repeatable. I didn't get lucky. I followed a blueprint anyone can follow. If you're listening to this and thinking, that sounds great, but I'm not tech savvy. Or, I've never run a business before. I want you to remember this. I was you. I had no clue. I had no confidence. But I had 10 minutes and a little bit of faith. Start small. Start now. Your $250 a day story begins with the first click. So if you're ready to take control, ready to stop watching others succeed while you stay stuck, then visit your link here and check out Build Your Store. I'm not special. I'm not a genius. I'm just someone who believed in a simple system and took action. And you can too.